Former Major League Baseball pitcher Roger Clemens will reportedly be indicted by a federal grand jury on perjury charges. According to the August 19, 2010 New York Times story, which cited two sources briefed on the matter, an announcement is expected to come soon that Roger Clemens has been indicted on charges of making false statements to Congress about his use of performance-enhancing drugs. The Clemens indictment is said to center around testimony Clemens made before Congress in February of 2008 about whether he took performance-enhancing drugs. According to NBC Sports, on February 13, 2008, Roger Clemens testified under oath before a congressional committee that he had never taken performance-enhancing drugs. He stated that he had been injected in the past with lidocaine by his former trainer, McNamee. He also told Congress that trainers had given him pain injections and many vitamin B12 injections. McNamee also testified before the House Committee on Oversight and Government Reform. His testimony contradicted that of Clemens, who has said that McNamee made up the allegations tying him to banned substances. In the so-called Mitchell report, McNamee has claimed that he injected Clemens with steroids during the 1998, 2000, and 2001 seasons while Clemens pitched for the New York Yankees. Clemens later filed a defamation lawsuit against McNamee, but that suit was dismissed last year. McNamee has also filed a defamation suit against Clemens. ESPN reported that Roger Clemens' lead attorney, Rusty Hardin, said he was unaware of a pending indictment against his client. Hardin told ESPN, "We've heard nothing, so I can't knowledgeably respond at all." For more information on this topic, visit the link below.